Revit Automation.
Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are using AI with the help of Copilot from a Microsoft Edge browser and Revit and Dynamo plugin to automate a view range in a 2D plan view. A normal process for view range is by selecting a edit in a view range and by adjusting top elevation of a top range, bottom range, cut plane, and view level depth. And we have to apply it to see only a single section. But by this, we can avoid doing all that, and we, with the help of just sliding in a slider, we can change a view range and see or set a desired view as per a requirement.
As Video Vault is opening, you can subscribe for such videos.
So, in this video, we are diving into the fascinating world of AI and its informative impact on a Dynamo Revit automation. Just go in a Revit, go in this Dynamo plugin in a Manage tab. After opening, you can see a window, empty window like this. Dynamo is an open source visual programming platform that works seamlessly with Revit. With Dynamo, we can automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and enhance productivity. In this video, we will show you how AI combined with Dynamo can revolutionize your Revit projects. Let's start with a practical example for setting a view range of a 2D plan view. First, we open a Dynamo from here, then just open a new Dynamo script. You will be getting an empty window like this. We will just add a Python script here by going in this library script editor. Here Python script, one script node will appear. So what this Python script will do, this allow us to interact with Revit API and automate the view range settings in relation with this video. But you can literally automate a lot of things with the help of Python and Revit API and this Dynamo plugin. Now don't bother about like you don't know about Python or you don't know about Dynamo. I think you know about Revit, which is a 3D modeling tool for beam industry. How to get this Python code? So what we are using AI for in this video? We are using AI to create a Python code for us. No more spending a lot of time in learning intricacy of Python or any other language, but you have to know the basics. And if you want to know the basics also, you can subscribe to this channel. We're going to take the basics of Python, basics of Dynamo, etc. in our different videos in this channel. So let's get started. Moving toward how to get the Python code. Now for this, just open a Microsoft Edge browser. In the upper right corner here, you can see it here the Copilot button. You just have to click it and the Copilot window will appear. Here you can write. Now I already generated given some comment and generated some code. So let's see it. So I given the comment how to create a Dynamo script for setting view range in 2D plan view. And as I click enter within 3 seconds, with the help of this AI, you can get a Python code with some explanations. What you have to do, you have to just copy the code and paste it in this Python script. Go here, select the Python script, right click and edit. What you have to do, you have to go in a Python window, Control A, select all and Control V, paste your code. Code is pasted. We just have to save the Python by clicking here on this icon, save icon. I'll just close this for the time being. Okay, let it be open. So here we have to add some nodes, very simple Dynamo nodes. If you want to learn a Dynamo node, how to get this node, etc., you can see in the channel there are a dedicated video library or videos for learning basics of Dynamo. You can get all the information there to learn Dynamo. But it's just started, so just you have to wait for some more defined videos. You can get the idea how you have to create a script. So now here you can see in this Python code here in 01, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. Here it want us to give an input. So now what you have to do, I will share this. You have to change the code a little bit so that the view, whichever is open in the background, that can be utilized for setting a view range. Otherwise, you have to give here a view where you want to set a view range, but we just want to set a view range for the current open view to the plan view. So I will just open my different Dynamo script, which I already Python script, which I already created and edited for you, so that we don't spend a lot of time here in that. So what I have done here, all things we needed is already there, but little bit more things we want here, some libraries etc. So here we want a system library. Just you have to write import system. Go here, you have to click enter, you have to build import system. After that, everything is fine. In the eighth line, you just have to copy this, or I will be giving you code in the comment in this video. Just comment hi so I can reply you the code in there. So in the eighth line, you have to write clr dot add reference this thing. Where is the eighth line? This is the eighth line, okay. And in ninth, you have to write this. So here, click enter and write this. To any other thing, you don't have to. You have to. We don't need this view input. We just remove this view input for now. And this in, we are going in 0. Bottom offset, we are going in 1 first input, and second in third. 0, 1, 2, 3. Same thing as we have given here 4 input. You have to add 4 input to your Python. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you have to save this Python script and save your Dynamo file also. So we have removed this say view input from here, but we have to give a current view to that view input. So what you have to do, you have to add code here. View is equal to doc.active view. Where you have to add it, go here in a 21 and you have to add it here after transaction manager. You have to save the code. So I will close this thing for now. Now I will just add a little bit more of code here. This is a dynamic script we created. Now what I will add, this is the curse section, okay. So the curse section you can see here in input 2. I will add this curse section in the input 2. Okay, top offset, I will add some value to the top offset, like here, see, so that you don't have to change view range. You don't have to go to the view range and change view range from there or view range level from there to get a result. I just see here giving the 15 whatever unit you have set in there. We just add the 15 unit to the curse section. So here you can add a node here. You can get the add node from here library. You just have to type add, or go here in the math here operators, and you can add from here. You can add subtract from here. Yeah, so when you click subtract, the subtract node will come here. When you click add node will come here. Just you have to set it like this. In the add node, just on the x, select this, connect this slider. This is a slider. How to get this slider? We just have to add slider here, or you can go here in the input here, basic input. Here you can get integer slider. You can add this integer slider here. A slider node will directly come here. Okay, input slider. Here I just change this node name by clicking on the top of the node, by clicking left clicking twice. You can change the name of the node. Okay, so like this you have to do the setting, and the output of this setting, as this is a top section, here you can set top offset is added in first. You can add this top offset in 0. Here we have given input 0. Now same thing you have to do for bottom offset, and bottom offset and cut depth, I will set it as a same for now to avoid the error. You just have to give x input as your cut section, and you have to subtract some units from the cut section, so that you can get the bottom offset bottom cut section a little bit low from the cut section of the view, and view depth should be same as bottom offset. Now here you just have to set this to second 01 and 03. After setting this, so freeze will not be there. For timing, I will remove this freeze. I will give freeze here to my. So now this node is already run. If I save this and close this Python node, and I will just change this cut section, you can see a section view is going to change simultaneously as I changing the slider. So here you can see the view of this section is simultaneously changing. You don't have to go here in a view range now. You don't have to set it every single time so that you can get a desired view or desired elements in your 2D plan view. You just can select this section, you can move a slider, and you can get a desired element in the view. So this view range setting itself is a very important automation in itself. But in this video, we have seen the use of AI and how to use this Microsoft Copilot tool, which is already available in your Microsoft Edge browser. So anyone in the team can use it on the browser itself. So why is AI so important in a Dynamo Revit automation? AI enhances our ability to automate a complex task, which in this case may be taken 1 or 2 days for me to find out all these functions from the Revit API and resolve the error in a Python code while running several times. I have just got a already made code from here. I resolved some errors within 5 minutes. I got a desired output. I can get a complex codes so that I can do a complex task within less time and no worry about finding different function from Revit API doc, which obviously take a lot of time. As now in this video, you can see hardly in 10 minutes I generated code, created a fully functional Dynamo script. So in this era of construction 4.0, AI and automation are a key points to stay competitive. By leveraging AI in Dynamo Revit, we can streamline workflows, boost productivity, deliver better result in less time, which means delivering a project on a required time schedule. If in this video you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more insight in this world of AI and automation, see you in the next video. Until then, be safe, take care, enjoy more time with your family and friends. Have a nice day.